Hello, we have recently changed the way we host our sermons on our church website, and so I just want to run through what this now looks like on our church website for when you go and listen to our sermons. So at the top, you can see the resources tab, and you will click on sermons just like you will have done with the previous system. Wait for the page to load. It might take a few minutes for this main sermon player down here to load, so do be patient. And what you can see at the top there is the latest sermon which has been preached. So this was last Sunday evening, Phil continuing through Revelation, and you can simply press play there. If you want to see the slides from that week, you can click on this. It should take you to a PDF attachment. So you just click that and it will open it up, and then you can follow through the slides as the sermon's going if that's helpful for you. You might want to get more out of this than just listening to some of the later sermons. You can go back throughout years and years of Calvary sermons. I think regular weekly ones from 2013, and then there's a few old recordings that date back to 2006. So you can search either by typing in a specific sermon if you remember something, or by this filter tab here. And you can search by book, by preacher, by series, by year, by month, even. And to show you just how this works, let's click on here. So, say you want to listen to a sermon preached by Jerome Pearson. Press Jerome, press filter, and then it will load sermons that Jerome has preached. And then just click on one and press play, and that should work. The other thing you can do is if you use a podcast app to get audio, you can click on the RSS podcast feed and paste that into your podcast app. I don't actually know quite exactly how that works. Please ask if you want me to figure that out. But we have managed to find a way to get them on Spotify. I know quite a lot of us use Spotify nowadays, so you can click on Spotify and it should take you to that. Perhaps you want to do that on a phone via a phone app, or use the Spotify web player. So I hope that's helpful. If you've got any questions on it, please let me know. If you discover anything that's not working so well, please let us know as well, and we will try and get that sorted. Thanks for watching.